Good morning, students. This is your social study class now. Students, today we are going to revise short type questions with answers from chapter Our Mineral Resources. Students, you know you have to write short type question answer as well as long type question answer in your exam, half-yearly exam. So in today's session we will learn and write short type question answer from chapter Our Mineral Resources. Let us start. Question number 1. What are minerals? Answer: minerals are natural resources found deep under the surface of the earth and provide us with useful metals like iron, copper, gold, silver, etc. Repeat it. What are minerals? Students, first you will read with me, repeat with me, and afterwards you will write this in your revision copy. Okay, first you will learn, memorize, then write in your revision copy. And those who have not completed yet, still now some students I know, still now they have not completed, not written in their classwork copy. They must write down in their classwork copy. This is the second time we are doing revision. Okay. Repeat it. First one. What are minerals? Minerals are natural resources found deep under the surface of the earth and provide us with useful metals like iron, copper, gold, silver, etc. Question number 2. What is an ore? You know, ore is an impure state of metal, mineral, impure state. So, how you will define it? How you will write the answer? Are naturally occurring minerals from which we can extract metals are called ores. For example, aluminium from bauxite. Bauxite is an ore. Repeat it. What is an ore? Answer: are naturally occurring minerals from which we can extract metals are called ores. For example, aluminium from bauxite. Number 3. Name the areas producing coal. Answer: bituminous coal is found in Jharia and Bokaro in Jharkhand and Raniganj in West Bengal. Lignite coal is found in Naveli in Tamil Nadu. You know, according to the grade of the coal, there are 4 kinds of coal. So, bituminous is found in Jharia and Bokaro and Raniganj. Okay, and Naveli, in Naveli we found lignite coal. Lignite coal is found in Naveli in Tamil Nadu. Naveli is in Tamil Nadu, and Jharia and Bokaro is in Jharkhand. Raniganj is in West Bengal. You should learn this distribution. Okay, you should know the region. Okay, now question number 4. Okay, I need the pen. Where it is? Okay. Now number 4. Name the main oil producing states and area in our country. Oil producing state, that means petroleum. Answer. India's oil producing states and areas are Assam, Gujarat, off coast Mumbai, that is in Maharashtra. Mumbai is in capital of Maharashtra. Off coast Mumbai, that means the place away from the coast. And Tripura, Manipur, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, etc. Repeat it again. India's oil producing states and areas are Assam, Gujarat, off coast Mumbai, then Tripura, Manipur, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, etc. Question number 5. Define fuel. You have to define it. What is fuel? Any material which produces power or heat on burning is called fuel. Any material which produces power or heat on burning is called fuel. Like coal is a fuel. Then petrol, this is also fuel. These are the examples of fuel. Number 6. What do you mean by fossil fuel? Important one. Answer. Fuel that was formed millions of years ago from the remains of plants and animals is called fossil fuel. Okay? For example, coal and petroleum. Okay? Fossil fuel. Repeat it. Fuel that was formed millions of years ago from the remains of plants and animals is called fossil fuel. So student, these are 6 questions, short type 6 questions. Today we have revised in our revision session, and today I am going to give you some questions on drawing. This is very important. I am going to give you 5 questions on drawing. I will ask any one from this 5. So you have to practice all this. You will draw in your classwork copy beside the chapter, related to the chapter. Okay? And the questions are, listen carefully, give your attention, important things I am giving you. Practice these following drawings. Draw and color. Number 1. Draw a thing which is made by aluminium. Aluminium, metal. You can draw aeroplane or utensil, etc., etc. Number 2. Draw a thing in which petroleum is used. That means petroleum is used in gas cylinder. Kerosene is used in kerosene stove. Then vehicle you can draw. Anyone. Practice anyone. Number 3. Draw a primitive tools for agriculture. There are different primitive type of tools that is used in early ages. Okay, still it is using, but in small scale. Draw a primitive tools for agriculture. For example, you can draw hoe, dhow, etc. Number 4, draw a modern farm machinery. Draw a modern farm machinery. For example, what you can draw? You can draw rice harvester or tractor. Okay. Question number 5. Draw a product of cottage industries. There are so many types of products from cottage industries that we have to draw. Anyone. Handicraft, vase, okay, porcelain vase, that is you can draw. Pottery, or you can draw candles, beautiful shoes, all this. Any one of this you can draw. So students, these things I have given today because tomorrow and day after tomorrow there is holidays, 2 days holidays, in which you can practice it. Draw and color. Okay, so what we have done today, complete this short type question answer that I have given today. Complete it today, memorize it. Okay, write in your revision copy and practice this drawing. This is also important one. Any one drawing I will give you in exam. You have to draw and color this. I think it will carry 4 to 5 marks, and 4 to 5 marks for map practice, map work. Okay, practice map also to mark map pointing. Okay students, this is what for today. The class ends here. Good day.